We are going on a steam train like this. Nice, interesting. And this one is the oldest train in Poland with the smoke, the steam, I mean. Let's go.
So what we are doing?
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
We have some pickles. We have a drink. Oh my god.
Wow, look at this. Woohoo! Oh, look at this. Woohoo!
It's like a
Oh, so many factories here. It's very beautiful train ride. Look at this. Nice. Ooh. Woohoo! That's the fast train.
It is very nice to experience like an old train in Poland. So this one is actually the oldest train.
Look at the smoke. Nice. Oh, look at this. Nice. They have to stop. Nice. Ooh. Tak, tak, tak. It looks like a rice field.
This is for our beer neck. We
Ah.
have to pick up this. It's for beer neck.
Oh, this one is just like the beetroot. So they're gonna make a sugar from the beetroot. Is in front of me is the cornfield. It's nice.
Yes. Right, huh?
And they're selling the souvenirs. Nice.
Nice. Happy.
Oh, look at this. This one is the old one. Ooh.
Don't say to people that in Poland the trees stop. everybody, just another day in Poznan, Poland. So today we are on a steam train trip. Basically, it's about 20 minutes from Poznan city, and it's just like a family trip. Very nice. This one is the oldest train in Poznan. And this one is the train station. Ah, look at this. Nice. With the steam. Very nice. This one is actually the oldest steam train in Poznan that they're operating for the tourists only on the weekend. It's nice. There is the train station. Oh, let me see. It's very old. Oh, nice. This is a piece of history. Nice. Oh, look at this one, the old one. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Nice. It's so nice with the steam. And then this is the old train station. We're just going like a family trip today. Nice. Woo. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, it's so amazing to see how this piece of history still running. Oh, look at this. So in this video, if you experience this during the old times, maybe this can bring you back the memories. It's beautiful to learn a piece of histories. Woo! Nice. Nice. Oh my God, I never experienced this in my life. Beautiful. Ah, nice. This one is actually in 1902. Wow. So we first of all we stop in the one coffee shop and the ice cream shop. Oh, so busy. Yeah, queuing buying the ice cream and coffee. So now we are going back actually to that way, that direction. It's beautiful. Look at the state, the farms. Look at you, honey. Beautiful summer train across the farm. Nice. It's really like a summer family out. Kochanie, that's the old train station, tak? Long time ago, it's called Slupia. Nice. And this one is the bench, how they are waiting for the train coming with the steam train like this. Oh, how do you feel?
Nice.
Nice.
Different, huh?
Something different, right? Ah, they stop. Oh, look at the workers. Ah, nice.
Look at the steam, the black smoke from the coal. It's just like 100 years ago. Imagine that you live in 100 years ago. It's nice to learn a piece of history. See, when the cars stop and taking videos. Nice. And look at the railways, still made of wood, rocks. Nice. We passing through the small garden like this. It's nice. So in front of me is the sugar factory of Holland. And look at this. Wow. It's really feel like you turn back to the old time with the steam train. This one is the sugar factory. Nice. And on the right side is the sugar factory. They loaded the stuff long time ago. Nice. Very old station. It's so nice. I think this one is the old windmill. Tako ini? It's very nice.
Very red,
Yeah.
but nice. And the coffee.
Nice. Look at this road. Oh my god.
Just, oh, horse.
What's horse? Oh yes. Nice. Nice.
So that was very enjoyable little trip to Środa Wielkopolska, which is about 20 minutes, no, maybe 40 minutes, 20 something kilometers from Poznań, for the old, old train actually, what used about for the trip to go both ways. I asked the guy, it was used about 200 kilo of coal. It was actually nice, that's the steam train, so it's like not usual nowadays. It's hard to find, so you have to go for the attraction for tourists or like mostly local people. But actually Winnie and her friend was only like Asian. After that there was only Polish people as far as I'm concerned, but nice. And anyways, I'm going to next week to London for the business trip, so I decided to spend a little bit more time with Winnie this weekend.
Dziękuję,
This is,
kochanie.
yeah. So next weekend I will be most likely in London, in UK, in Farnborough, exactly. So maybe if you are in the area of Farnborough, you can let me know if you would like to. But so far for now, that's it. We're in mall. I'm just having my coffee. Malls on Sundays are closed, but the restaurants and the coffee shops, some of the coffee shops are open. So that's how does it work. See you tomorrow.